Hi. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to answer the questions and then I'm going to use a personal experience for question 5. So to identify Common Core standard, I'm going to use math domains and standards. The elements of the Common Core for the math standard is cluster domains and practice standards. Now, to meet the needs of the children, I will use interest groups. This will, for my class, this will help to engage the children and as well to interact among each other, based on the children's interests, what each child is interested. Now, one of the classes that, I observed, they the they used the interest group, right? So the class was learning fractions. Now, one of the group was learning fractions by a game. The activity, one of the activities was a game. Now, the second group was doing a worksheet. They were working together to solve the problem. So now that was based on the interest. So one of the groups, some of the children liked and learn better by having hands-on, games, fun activity games, and the other ones just likes to do, based on worksheets and working together and solving the problems. So that's for the third question. Now the fourth is describe how you justified aligns with one or more of the learning theories. So now one of the learning theories that I know is social emotional. Now again, in my past experience, I was a preschool teacher for about I'd say 4 years now. Um, and we do more based on social emotional. So that's one of the learning theories I know. But the other theories, I'm gonna have to do more research and learn about them. Now, question number 5 is make a connection to a personal example or experience. So now my personal experience is, I observe a teacher, and that's how I got the interest group of how one group was learning fractions by a game and activities, by learning game by a game, and the other one was doing a worksheet. So that's how, and this is how I learn about, the activities. I seen one of the, group again doing a game to learn fractions, and the other group was doing worksheet. Now I asked the teacher why did she do it this way. She explained to me by and she explained to me this is the way some of the children, these are the children's interests. Some children learn by having activities hands-on of games, and other children like to do worksheets and learn and work together as a group to solve the problem, see if they got this one right and how do they do it this way. So that's one of my personal one of my personal examples is I observed the classroom and this is what I saw. So this is how I learned, and I was like, oh wow. Um, and so when I was answering the question number 2, I remembered, wow, the teacher said this is their interest. This is what children are interested in. This is how the way they learn. So this is what I base it off. So that is my answers for the questions and my personal experience. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.